How to revoke permission on Trust Wallet. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily revoke certain permissions on Trust Wallet. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up Trust Wallet and open the browser section. You can find the browser icon at the bottom right corner between Discover and Settings. You just head over there and on the search bar, you just search for wallet.crystal.app. Now on this, all you have to do here is click on Create or Connect Wallet. And then from there, you're going to have to select your Wallet Connect. Just tap on Wallet Connect and select any wallet you want from here. And then once you have done that, you're going to have to allow access to all of these networks. Now just tap on Connect and your wallet should be connected. Once your wallet is connected, you can go back here and tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom left corner, then click on Tokens Approval. And once you get to this page, you can see different icons here like assets, apps, and revoke. So in order to revoke access to any of these tokens, you are going to have to select that particular token first. So you can revoke access to your assets from smart contracts, whether it be on centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. So from here, you can select any of your tokens and then you can find the revoke icon at the right side of your screen. You can just tap on it. And after tapping on it, you can confirm that you want to revoke the permission and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you on the next one.